Hello and welcome to Unacademy, a one-stop destination for all the English medium civil service aspirants. Welcome to another session of Economy Explained. And in this session, let's try and understand what is the importance of the scheme by the name of One Station, One Product. Now, before I start the discussion, a very important announcement. Starting 16th of March, we are going to launch a new online classroom program. This will be a one-stop solution for all the English medium civil service aspirants. And in this batch, all the India's top educators, Sarmad Sir, myself, Chetan Sir, Himabindu ma'am, Mukesh Jha Sir and Abhishek Mishra Sir will be taking the classes. And not just this, we are also announcing an offer of 50% discount and a 6 months extension of any of these courses that you are purchasing now related to civil services examination. With this announcement, let me begin the discussion here. I am pretty sure in today's newspaper, that is the Hindu, any edition that you have been reading, you would have come across one article, that is the Prime Minister will be launching 205 one station, one product stalls for Southern Railway. Now, let's try and understand what is the importance of this announcement and what is the importance of the scheme per se. Now, so that you appreciate the scheme, let me give you certain important points first. Point number one, we need to increase GDP of India. All of you agree with me? Anybody who says no, sir, there is no need to increase GDP. But more importantly, along with increase in the GDP, we should also ensure that people who are working, let's say at lower sections of the society, who are part of lower sections of the society, will be having sufficient job opportunities and will be making certain sufficient amount of revenues or income as well. Point number two, there is a need for promoting local production. Local production, that is in simple terms, in recent times, the Prime Minister of India has been giving a call for vocal for local. I am pretty sure you must have heard of this, vocal for local. That is in simple terms, whatever goods and services that we require, specifically let's say goods that we require for consumption on day-to-day basis, if these are manufactured and available within the domestic market, why not purchase from the domestic market itself, so that the market for the domestic producers will be there. That is, their goods will have a demand in the market. It will become a stable source of income for them, etc. That is the second very important point. Third very important point, we have seen that over a period of time, there has been good growth in India's GDP. Having said so, you must also have heard of a term called as regional disparity. Concept of regional disparity. What do you mean by regional disparity? GDP of India is increasing. The market price of goods and services is increasing. But what we are seeing over a period of time is the growth is not providing benefit to all the sections of the society. Some of the regions, some of the states, some of the districts are performing very well. Some other regions, some other states, some districts are not performing very well. They are lagging behind. This is the third very important point. And the fourth very important point, in the current affairs, there is this argument that whether India is going through a K-shaped recovery. Now, this video is not regarding whether India is going through a K-shaped recovery, but basic idea is there is a set of economists, certain number of experts believe that in India, certain part of Indian economy is performing very well, and because the economy is performing very well, participants in that part of the economy are able to earn large amount of income. But on the other side, there are certain sections of the economy which are performing very poorly, and as a result of this, people who were involved in these sectors are not able to earn sufficient income. They are losing jobs. The contribution of these sectors to the GDP is suffering, etc. and etc. Now, remember all of these particular points. Why? Now, coming to the point, Government of India in the budget of 22 and 23, I repeat, Government of India in the budget for the year 22 and 23, that is financial year 23, made an announcement by the name of, that is the scheme by the name of One Station, One Product, OSOP. I'll start using the short form now. One Station, One Product. Earlier, before OSOP was implemented, government has already implemented One District, One Product scheme. Now the model has been used to announce one more scheme, One Station, One Product. The pilot project for OSOP was launched in 19 stations in the month of March. And later, Government of India, to be very precise here, Ministry of Railways. Please remember this. It was the Ministry of Railways which came out with the policy to promote One Station, One Product in the month of May 2023. And thereafter, more than thousands of stations, I repeat, more than 1,000 stations have been brought under One Station, One Product. And now, today's Hindu newspaper says 205 One Station, One Product stalls will be launched by the Prime Minister. Now, what is this idea of a One Station, One Product? In a nutshell, please understand this. There is an institute by the name of National Institute of Design, NID, which is established in Ahmedabad. Now, this institute has made a design, created a logo, etc. for stalls which will be established in railway stations. These stalls will be set up or established in different railway stations. And in these stalls, the carpenters, the let's say textile workers, the toy makers, etc., they'll be allowed, they'll be given an opportunity to market, to basically keep their products, to market and sell their products. And this model is called as One Station, One Product. Now, many of you will basically ask me, sir, imagine there is one station and there are many sellers who want to sell these products using only one stall. How is that possible? Please remember this. This one station, one, right, let's say one product, whatever stall I'm talking about, this will not be allocated only to one person till perpetuity. It will be allocated on circulation or rotation basis for every 15 days. For example, if I'm one of these persons who want to sell my products in these stalls for 15 days, the stall will be given to me. I'll have to make a payment of 1,000 rupee, charges of 1,000 rupee, and for 15 days, I'll be allowed to sell the products in this stall. Now, what kind of products are we targeting? The sales of which kind of products are we targeting using the stalls? For example, we want again manufactured, which are manufactured indigenously, that is in the local market, the toys which are manufactured, the textile products which are made, the leather products, etc. So many of these products which are made in that region indigenously means locally made, will be displayed, will be marketed and will be sold using the stalls under the initiative of One Station, One Product. Now, what is the importance? What are we trying to achieve by establishing these OSOPs? Point number one, this will promote the argument of Government of India, that is the initiative of Government of India, vocal for local. That is locally made products, especially those which are manufactured by small manufacturers, those which are manufactured in the same market, in the same region, will be marketed and sold through the stalls. That is, it will promote vocal for local initiative of the Government of India. Second, this will also act as an additional source of income for the people. If I am one of these people who is not able to find a stable source of income, now the sales through OSOP will become an additional source of income for me. Third, very important point, this will also develop a market. This will also develop a market for domestically produced goods. It will create a market for goods which are manufactured or produced in the local market. And the fourth very important point, earlier we have seen the fact that in all the regions in India, in all the districts in India, the growth is not uniform, or we are not experiencing same rate of or similar rate of growth across India. What we can ensure through this kind of initiative of Government of India is that by ensuring there is a market available, by ensuring that there is a stall where you can market your products, your income sources will increase, the issue of regional disparities, issue of regional growth can also be promoted. Right, so these are certain very important objectives that we want to achieve through the concept of one station, one product. So far, like I said, more than 1,000 stalls have been set up, and more than, please remember the data now, more than 50 crore rupees worth of goods have been sold using or through the stalls here. So these are certain very important points regarding the initiative of one station, one product, which has been launched by the Government of India last year. That is basically in the last financial year. So if you like these initiatives, please hit the like button, provide your valuable comments in the section below, and if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do it now. Thank you. Have a great day.